sense of humor was very important. Telling jokes was very important. There was always the Jewish ethnic bent to it. And growing up, I always felt like, and I knew it because people would say, "You're not funny," and but I am funny. I know I'm laughing, and I know if I said the same thing at home, everyone would be laughing. So the kids around me didn't get my sense of humor, never got my sense of humor. The kids at Hebrew school sort of got it because they sort of had that. And then I joined BBYO in high school. And there, everyone got my sense of humor. And I was the funny guy. And that, for me, was my formative experience, my formative Jewish experience in a way. And, I still talk about my experience at BBYO, how it gave me my Jewish anchor, more so than Hebrew school ever did, more so than ever sitting in any service ever did. It allowed me to express my Jewishness. It allowed me to express myself and to feel free to, like, I'm surrounded by Jews, which is what I always wanted to be. Which is why a majority of my social life to this day revolves around my synagogue or my involvement in Jewish organizations that where I just feel at home. It just feels like I just slipped on a comfortable pair of shoes and a comfortable jacket, and I can be myself. Because I was never elected class president. I was never, even elected to student council, even when I ran. So that never happened for me. But when I got to BBYO, they were like, "Listen, do you want to be on the board? We think you'd be great." And I was always vice president of this and vice president of that. And so that's what started me on that journey, and I've continued to this day.